In my last video, I shared how spinach and other green leafy vegetables are super important for mitochondrial health. They help your cells produce energy and keep you feeling vibrant. Hello, this is Rashmi, holistic health coach. Welcome to my world of wellness. So today I thought I'll show you a delicious way to get these greens in your diet. So we are making two delicious recipes. One is this paneer spinach paratha, and the other one is creamy tofu cauliflower spinach curry. So these two recipes are loaded with mitochondrial-friendly ingredients. First, I started with sauteing some tofu in a little coconut oil until golden. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein and iron, both essential for repairing mitochondria and carrying oxygen to them, which means better energy production. So here I am also adding some spices to give flavor to tofu, a little bit of coriander, a little bit of cumin powder, a little bit of salt and red chili. So it's very easy, just saute them and keep it separately. Now here I am sauteing my cauliflower. It's rich in vitamin C and detox supporting compounds, which helps create a clean environment for your mitochondria to work efficiently. So again I'm putting a lot of flavor with adding some ginger, some garlic, some mixed herbs, cumin powder, some coriander powder and red chili. This gives a really good flavor to the dish together. So just saute it and keep it separately. Don't overcook them. Just see if they should be a little crispy. So next I am sauteing some ginger, garlic and little bit of onion. Once the onion soften, I add my favorite spices again: cumin, coriander, turmeric, little chili powder. Tossed in some chopped tomatoes and cook them until soft. Then I added back the sauteed tofu and cauliflower, and now comes the star, that is spinach. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, folate and antioxidants that feed and protect your mitochondria, boosting your energy naturally. Finally, I poured in fresh coconut milk, which I made it at home. I'll share the recipe of fresh coconut milk in description box. You can use the canned coconut milk as well, and topped it with some coriander, some basil. So coconut milk is medium chain triglyceride healthy fats that your mitochondria can turn into energy very quickly. It's really delicious, guys. I promise your kids will love it. So here it's ready, and you can eat it with rice or chapati. So do try out this recipe and let me know if you like it. So next I'm rolling some spinach paneer paratha. I blanched some spinach and blended it into a smoothie puree. Here I'm adding some spices to my wheat flour and some chili powder, some cumin to give extra nutrition. Here are the fresh spinach which I blanched and blended into a smooth puree. Mix it straight into the whole wheat flour and just knead it into a soft dough. It's very easy. Doesn't take long and kids love it. That's how you add spinach in all your meals. And protein, I'm adding some paneer. Paneer adds protein and calcium as well, which helps keep muscles and bones strong, so your energy stays steady throughout the day. So I always try to add protein in all my meals. That's how I made it possible. So just roll it into a dough. Roll out the dough, place the paneer filling in the center and seal it, and roll it again before cooking it on the hot pan until golden. So there you have it, two energy boosting mitochondria loving recipe that are tasty as well as really nourishing. So if you missed my earlier video on why spinach is so important for your mitochondria, go check it out. I'll link it in the description box. And stay tuned, because in my next video in this mitochondria series, guys, I'm talking about nutritional yeast and why it might just become your new kitchen favorite for boosting energy, especially for people who are vegan. So until then, eat well, stay healthy, and keep your mitochondria happy. And please don't forget to subscribe. I put a lot of effort in making these videos, and your subscription is very important for me. And do try this delicious paratha. I'm having it with little bit of bhindi and some lentil kala chana I made, a sprout one. So until then, next time, this is Rashmi again, your holistic health coach. Bye.